Okay, now the thing is, I'm carrying a knife here with me. It's a straight knife, very good for self-defense because it has minimum blockages, easy to carry, and then there is no tantrums around it of switching it, opening it. It'll always work. So, now let's say we get into a scuffle, or whatever, go. So, the first thing is I keep my knife away from him so that he is unable to grab. Okay, try and control his master hand as much with your left, right, whatever. Come, okay, go. So that you try and grab my knife, keep him here, keep him away, and the moment you get the first opportunity or you feel that you have to draw the knife, that's the time you draw the knife and inflict an injury, get away. Okay. So 3 steps in this. The first step is go, guard yourself, all right. Do not let his master hand or the hand, because this hand will not come easy here. This is the hand which will have a direct access. So try and avoid this hand coming to you here, while in the meantime you are doing your bit. You're not pulling your knife out yet. Okay, now if the situation gets more critical, go here, then you pull out the knife and then you do the damage and move out from there. Okay, so hands up, knife side away, don't let his hand reach your weapon. Hit him, whatever you have to do, and only when you feel that there is no other option, pull out the knife, inflict injury, because here in civilian self-defense the intent is not to kill. Okay, also it is not to cause grave injury, it is use of limited force as per the laws. So you inflict limited damage, bang, maybe just one stab in the chest or somewhere, or maybe a cut, and get away from there. Okay, so we'll see when I will pull out the knife. The intent is not to kill him, the intent is only to defend myself. Okay, here. So when you're trying to find it out here, when the situation got difficult, now when it gets difficult for me, that's the time I pull out my knife here, and then I go pop, make a small, just make a small cut here like that, or maybe here, or maybe here like that. Don't stab him. So you have to have control on your nerves. आपको अपने दिमाग पे कंट्रोल होना चाहिए कि ऐसा नहीं है नाइफ देना वुडन, ऐसा नहीं है कि यार क्या, no, we're not doing that. So when I pull out the knife, go here, I cut here and move. That's enough. Or maybe on the hand. Okay, so 3 steps. Step number 1, keep your knife hidden, या जो भी weapon है, here. Now you can fight. Go here. He tries to grab, pull the knife निकाल अपने, अबे अपना नहीं, तेरे पास तो है ही नहीं मेरा, क्योंकि तुझे पता है ये कुछ निकाल ना ले. So go. So here, try and keep it away from him. Don't square it here. Don't fight like this. Now you can grab the knife. ये वाला हाथ यूज करना, नजदीक वाला, हाँ. Okay. So don't do that. Go at a range. Use your hand in the face. Push him. Move back, and then you can take out the knife. ठीक है? So 3 steps. 1, hands up. 2, knife behind. 3, fight. 4th, if you feel, then you pull out the knife. अब knife कैसे निकालना है? जैसे अभी तो आपके पास कोई वो तरीका नहीं है. अब let's say I had this knife, I was carrying this. Okay, now it will take some time to open and use it. See again here. Let's say I was carrying this knife. Come, I'm carrying knife too, huh? So go here. So now I need more time. So it takes time. Okay, now I open it, and then it's going to take more time. So people ask me, which is the best knife for self-defense? So I suggest no folders. Straight blades are quicker, better, and stronger. ये हो सकता है यहाँ फंस जाए, हो सकता है खुले ना ठीक से, हो सकता है by the time it opens up, you may knock me down. So the best thing is to use a straight knife. ठीक है? चलो, let's do it now. Pair up. Okay, good enough. Switch. I didn't see you. Chalo, go. Okay, that's good. Nice. Switch roll. उसने कर दिया attack तो switch. And go. No, don't pull out the knife in the first go. I told you, wait. See if their damage is substantial, only then go. Yes, that guy. Okay, बहुत सारे लोग मुझसे पूछते हैं, a lot of people ask me which knife to use, what is good for self defense. Self defense में कौन सा knife use करना चाहिए. So मेरे पास थोड़े से options हैं. I'll show you and I'll tell you advantages and disadvantages of all. So this is a switch blade, spring loaded, works out pretty quick. So this is one option, that you can use a switch blade. You don't have to manually open it. You just have to just flick a little bit and it will open up because it is spring loaded. So it is quicker. Option 1. 2 is a karambit, a folding karambit. It's here. So this is the fastest blade which you can use for self defense, a karambit. Okay. The third is a boot knife or a pocket knife. So this is also good, but the only thing is that this may not be very potential against a very big enemy, or when I say a big threat, not an enemy, against a big threat it will be a little difficult. But again, it's going to work if it is used rightly, maybe in the face, or maybe the carotid artery, or maybe in some of the vitals. But again, what happens is when I have to pull out the knife, I need some time to pull it out and open it. So it takes a few milliseconds. But if I have a straight knife, it comes out easy. So straight knife, the advantage is, first, it is stronger. Okay. Secondly, it doesn't have any mechanism to fold, open. So there is less time lapse which is happening when you draw it. So it comes out quickly and you can draw it any which ways. So मेरा suggestion है कि for a self defense, use a straight knife with a sheath, because obviously otherwise you cannot keep it in the pocket. This is another option which is hand assisted folder, but again the problem is that it's going to take time, okay, to open. So for self defense, straight knife is the best. Okay, here, let's go here, lock, take him down, take his finger, control, okay, and maybe take down, and the best is to disconnect. Do it, disconnect. ठीक है?
ठीक है.